Guruvar Pranam. Thanks for your blessing, your kind attention, and your cooperation. Now again I am urging you, please subscribe my channel and push the bell button. After that you will got everything which is presented by straightforward classes. Now I am talking the next part of the Niyamavali. This class is also based on the Niyamavali, manuals, rules. As per our previous declaration, I am today also telling you that straightforward classes is a private organization. This class is totally research based. This class is a prototype, working on prototype of syllabus. We are converted entire manual or Niyamavali into MCQs. So this is only for you कि your mindset, your preparation strategy must be follow this class, and slowly you just do your duties, you preparing your class. Now I am talking about the next segment, next question of this Niyamavali. Question is, where is the headquarter of National Council of Teacher Education? Means where is the headquarter of NCTE? New Delhi, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata? No. The right answer is New Delhi. Which institution aggregated graduate training institute B.Ed degree? B.Ed degree is aggregated by which institution? UGC, university, NCT, none of these. So NCT, aggregated by the NCT. According to norms and rules of NCT, if a B.Ed organization is aggregated, then your degree is valid for this exam. What is true about Bihar Public Service Commission? Because Bihar Service Commission will be conduct your exam. So it is also important body. So there are, you go through the so many bodies, UGC, NCTC, BPSC. So Bihar Public Service Commission constitutional body with the power conferred by the Article 315 of the Constitution, Indian Constitution. The BPSC is working. BPSC was established under the guidelines of the Constitution of India, Article 315. Public Service Commission came into existence on 1st August 1949. Earlier, the headquarters of Bihar Public Service Commission was in Ranchi. All are true. Now BPSC headquarters is in Bihar because Ranchi is the capital of another state, Jharkhand. So earlier the headquarters of BPSC was in Ranchi, and 1st April 1949 BPSC was established under the constitutional provision. What level will the cadre of headmaster controlled by the education department? What level? So what the level of cadre controlling? So district, state, divisional, block level. Divisional level, this is called in generic term commissionary. So division level cadre is here, not a state level. What are the essential qualification and appointment of post of headmaster, higher secondary school, be citizen of India and residence of Bihar. Citizen of India and domicile of Bihar. Recognized university passed postgraduate with at least 50% marks. But in reservation case, it is no the criteria of 50%, but general criteria is 50%. B.Ed, BSc Ed, from recognized institution, all are true. You must be a citizen of India, domicile of Bihar, recognized university passed post graduation with 50% marks, and bachelor in education is your qualification. Next, what is the experience condition of the post of headmaster? 10-year continuous service in a state government school as a secondary teachers or Panchayati Raj, and all type of school of government setup is required 10 year, or CBSE, ICBSE minimum 8-year continuous service of the post of secondary teacher in a school having permanent affiliation, or 8-year for the higher secondary, post of the higher secondary teacher schools. So, higher secondary means 12, the general secondary teachers for 10 years. CBSE, SSC minimum 10 years continuous service, the post of higher secondary teachers in the school having permanent affiliation. Having 10 year for the general high school which is running up to class 10th. So, 3 type, one is the 8 years, one is the 10 year, another is also 10 years. So, all are true. The next, what is are true regarding the condition of age? The minimum and maximum age limit will be not be fixed separately for the teacher working under Panchayati Raj institution and municipal institution. Means the teacher who are working under government setup, the age limit is must be followed through the service condition of the recruitment of the teacher for those school, those projects. But especially for private school, the minimum age is 31 years and maximum is 47 years. So, here is some confusion regarding the age, but a single service, 2 condition is not possible. If government is telling in my school, means the government run school, service conditions especially in the age is same as this condition fulfill the present conditions, or in very generic you just understand, if your age is 50 to 52 years, it is good for you, because after the examination this will be held in 2022, after a year at least. After that 2-year compulsory probation period, or if you due to any reason you couldn't do the works, examinations, or any other fulfill any other criteria, so then your probation just extend a year, means 3-year probation period, or at least 1 year, the duration of the exam, collectively 4 to 5 years. If you are 54 years old, if you are 55 years old, so when you complete your probation, after the probation, there is no age for the services, because the last limit is a fixed 60 years for government services. So how it is possible for more than 52 years person? One thing, because probation, after the probation examination, provision is also here. When you pass this examination, means the training examination, this is a very simple examination, or totally depends, the area is totally on the rule and regulation of the schools. So nothing worried about, but if you are more than 50 years or 52 years, there is no need for you at least. What is true about the nature of examination? This exam will be 150 questions. The question will be objective and multiple choice. There will be negative marking, all of the above. All of the above. Next, which of the following is the true about the direct recruitment of headmaster? There shall be probationary period of 2 years. The period of probation is not satisfactory. The extension of 1 year will be given. During the period of probation, the headmaster shall have the successfully complete the institution or other training prescribed by the department. All of above are true. Next, what is true about the headmaster direct recruitment? Having satisfactorily completed the period of probation training shall also have passed the departmental examination. Passing the departmental examination may be confirmed the service. The post of headmaster shall be transferable. All are here also, all are correct. Your post is transferable within division because your cadre is division, but some cases it is possible that division to inter-division transfer is also possible. What is the discussion of child right in 66 Amendment 2002 of the Constitution of India? Why this question are here? The reason is that in Niyamavali, in manual, a special provision or a special focus on code of conduct. According to this code and conduct, a teacher's responsibility is also fixed. You must know about the child rights, you must know about the dowry system, the rules of against the dowry system. And just in the period of COVID, who are fighting with COVID? The primary fighter is after the doctor, teachers. Everything is arranged by the teachers. So your responsibility not simply only you just deliver a class, your social responsibility is also very important, because society is always appreciate teachers, one of the respectful job from early time of the civilization. I think one of the first profession, one of the oldest profession on the earth is the profession of Gurujan. So your some social responsibility is a moral responsibility. In this description, the thing is described. So I am also pick and choose the question from these things. One thing is very important for you. Please you attend our, just you see on YouTube, first class on the teacher recruitment Niyamavali, class 1 and class 2, part 1 and part 2. In the description of part 1 and 2, the entire Niyamavali is given in English also, Hindi as well as English also. This class is also in Hindi, only in Hindi, but the Niyamavali translation is also available. So you must go and see and download it, and you read the things, what is the matter, what is the rules is given in the manuals. So what is the right having given to know? What is the discussion of child right in the 66 Amendment 2002 of the Indian Constitution. The right of compulsory and free education for children from 6 years to 14 years. The fundamental right of education has been kept in the Article 21A of the Indian Constitution. Right of Education Act came into force 1st April 2010. All are correct. Second thing, what right have been given to children in the Right of Education Act 2009? Not to torture physically and mentally. Non-implementation of any sort of a screening process for enrollment. Means no admission test for the enrollment. It is a crime. Refusing the private tuition by the teachers and not running the school without the recognition. No teacher, no government teacher is allowed for private tuition. And no school can run without the permission, without the proper affiliation, or without the fulfilling the criteria of schools. So here is also all options are right. Next one is, what do you mean by the child labor? It is also your social responsibility. This is beautifully described in Code of Conduct of the Niyamavali. An act that deprived the children of childhood, injurious to the mental and physical health of children, work keeping children away from education, all of the above. All are right. Bihar is a complete ban on alcohol in India. Where is there a complete ban on alcohol state or district in India? Bihar and Gujarat, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Lakshadweep, some district of Manipur. All are right. Bihar is also dry state, Gujarat is also, Mizoram and Nagaland is also, Tripura and Lakshadweep also, and some district of Manipur. So all are correct, because in Code of Conduct indirectly this is also a given your responsibility. Which of the following state has seen in the increase in the dowry system recently? Which of the following state has seen an increase in the dowry system? Kerala, Gujarat, Punjab, Hyderabad, Bengal, Odisha, Assam, Arunachal, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Right answer is Kerala, Gujarat, Punjab and Hyderabad. Thank you, Guruvar. Now I am urged to you कि please subscribe my channel and just push the bell icon, bell button, or it is my pleasure to give you some basic information on Niyamavali. Okay, thank you, bye.
Contact email straightforwardclasses@gmail.com. Phone number 901 30 11 749. WhatsApp 88 00 74 00 94.